Hello, this is a quick tutorial on worksheet 1.10A1. This is using domain and range and understanding them. First one's pretty simple. We're just looking at this box. We first of all have to complete the table. The rule is subtract 6, where the function is. So 6 minus 6 is 0, 10 minus 6 is 4, 11 minus 6 is 5, 16 minus 6 is 10. And then it says we're supposed to identify the domain and range. So this here's the domain. And this is the range, and it's just that simple. You can just label them like that. Okay, I'm going to go down and do number 5. The rule is subtract 5, so 6 minus 5, this would be 1. 9 minus 5 would be 4. 18 minus 5, 13. 20 minus 5, 15. This is the domain, and this is the range. Don't forget to locate the, identify the domain and range. Let's skip down a little bit more. Just looking at this little table right here, we have to fill out a couple things here. It says which, let's see, when Keith and Chuck were born on the exact day but not the same year, their ages are shown in the table below. So when Keith was 12, Keith is 12. How old is Chuck? Well, Chuck was 15 according to the table. And you can go through and answer these questions here as well. This last one's kind of tricky. They're showing the domain and range laid out in coordinate pairs. Well, just think about this once. Here's an X and a Y table. Put 1, 2, 3, and make this a 2, a 3, and a 4. This is this table here. I could pull out this point and say that this is point 1, 2, and we could graph it. And this is point 2, 3. We could graph that. And this is point 3, 4. We could graph that, and so on. Well, we could do the same thing down here. We could also identify the domain and range. This would be the domain. This is the X value is the domain. So the domain in these ones down here is going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And usually we put those in little brackets or some parentheses of some kind. And then the range is going to be the Y value. It'll be 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm the worst parenthesis or bracket maker ever. All right, and that's it. Good luck. Pretty easy worksheet. Don't forget to label the domain and range.